Good morning, Pramod sir. Pramod sir, am I audible? Come on, students, join. Yes. Yes, students. Yesterday, which portion was completed up to? Actually, it was completed up to when he started recovering, and they started talking, and he was also that POW, prisoner of war, or you can say soldier, that Tom. He was full of fear because he did not know what they will do with him. Usko kya karenge? Whether they will hand him over to the police or sometime they may kill also. Okay, so he was not sure, and there was a little bit actually. Dr. Sadao, he was a little bit harsh also towards the soldier, towards the POW, and he tried to give as a doctor whatever maximum care or maximum how much care he could take, and he has taken the care and he helped him in his full recovery. इसकी पूरी recovery में उसने उसकी help की थी. Okay, and then you are come to the policeman said actually in between Hannah, she was also full of fear because already the servants have gone, and she was fearing that whether they would disclose or not. वो disclose करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, that was also not sure. She was totally uncertain. But one day actually, on the morning actually when they left, in the evening messenger from the actually general came, and he was in uniform, and she thought that they might be from some security forces, कोई security forces से होंगे, and that has they might have come to know, उनको पता लग गया होगा शायद. So she was full of fear. वो बिल्कुल मतलब डर गई थी. And finally when he told that the general was in pain, जब उसने ये बताया कि जनरल ही नीडेड योर अटेंशन और मेडिकल अटेंशन, ही वाज इन ग्रेट पेन, वो ज्यादा पेन में था. So she took a sigh of heave, थोड़ा सा. She was quite comfortable now after that, and she thought that otherwise she was thinking all sort of bad thing comes in the mind, like what would happen to the children and all. Okay, so after that, and when he talked to general regarding this, he told that there is a one POW, and I have cured him, I have treated him. And he general also told that absolutely no problem, you will not be arrested for that one, because if you are arrested, actually here also he has expressed some selfishness, because if you are arrested, who will operate me in case it is needed? अगर मेरे ऑपरेशन करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी तो उसको कौन ऑपरेशन करेगा? And he told that way, but he was joking in that way, and he was very strict, was very cruel general. वो बहुत ही cruel था. He used to beat his wife and all. Okay, this was not explained much in that one. And now let's start with the after that. Yes. Participants, still strength is very less. Come on, try to join fast. Students, come on, join. Sir, for some time you can stop recording. Pramod sir, for some time stop recording. Let the students join. 1 or 2 minutes we will wait. Let everybody join maximum. Yes, students from, let me see, non-medical. I use 21 only. Rohit, Ritu, Pooja, Kushal, Yoga. Yes, come on. Try to join fast. Okay, students, let's start with when he went to general, and general told him that you will not be arrested for that one. And before that, he had a talk with POW also. उसके साथ POW, prisoner of war, उसके साथ था soldier, उसके साथ he had talked something, कुछ बात की, and he gave him advice as a doctor. उसको डॉक्टर की तरह उसने एडवाइस दिया that you start walking little bit, and in a gap of just 5 minutes you have some walk, and then relax, and you can increase like this you are walking. Okay, after that he went to general staff. He was in need of a medical care and all. He was having some pain, उसको pain था and he needed. Messenger also came. Actually at that time that messenger created a fear in the mind of Hannah. Hannah के mind में काफी fear create हो गया था. And after that, now let's start with this chapter. The general shook his head. General ने अपना सिर हिलाया. I had rather not to be the test case. मतलब I don't want that I'm a just test case कि मेरे ऊपर कोई experiment करे कोई doctor. That's why he told that you will not be arrested for any reason. कुछ भी हो जाए. And he said, उसने कहा, he felt suddenly weak and overwhelmed. He felt weak. थोड़ा सा उसको कमजोरी महसूस होने लगी. And he was overwhelmed with the cares of his life. अपनी life के लिए overwhelmed, in becoming emotional हो जाना. As an official in his time, जब अपने time में officer such as those when repeated victory brought great responsibility all over the South Pacific. जब उसने जो victory थी, that has brought a great responsibility because he was a very great warrior. बहुत ही योद्धा था एक, and he has won many battles. बहुत सी लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी थी, and that's why his responsibility was more. And it is very unfortunate this man should have washed up in your own doorstep. And it is very unfortunate, ये बड़े दुर्भाग्य की बात है, that this man should have washed up on your doorstep. He said irritatingly. उसने चिल्ला, washed up means he might have died actually on your doorstep. मर जाता तो ठीक था, because as a doctor you would certainly cure him, you will certainly treat him, means you will certainly give him life back at any cost, किसी भी तरह से, because he was a very renowned surgeon and doctor. And I feel it so myself, Sadhau said gently. Sadhau ne bhi chupchaap kaha, I also wanted same because I don't want, because now Hannah was having problem, and that's why he did not want any sort of problem in the house because of that man. उस व्यक्ति के कारण कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई, so that's why he was also interested that he should have died at the doorstep. उस दरवाजे पर वो मर गया होता तो that would have been better. वो अच्छा होता. It would be best if he could be quietly killed, the general said. जनरल ने कहा, ओके whatever it happened and now it would be better, ये अच्छा होगा if he is killed quietly, चुपचाप अगर उसको kill कर दें, मार दें. Not by you but by someone who does not know him. लेकिन आप नहीं मारना उसको, not by you. किसके द्वारा? By someone who does not know him, जो उसको नहीं जानता हो. I have many my own private assassins. मेरे पास बहुत से अपने private personal killers हैं. And suppose I send 2 of them to your house tonight. अगर मैं उन दोनों को आज रात आपके घर भेज दूं, और better any night, और किसी भी night में, you need know nothing about it. आपको उसके बारे में कुछ पता भी नहीं लगेगा. And it is now warm. अब तो गर्मी है. What would be more natural than that you should leave the outer portion of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleep. Means this was the plan, that you open that outer portion, it should be left open because it is very hot, garmi hai, and you can keep the door open which is going towards the garden की तरफ का जो दरवाजा है उसको खोल के रख देना because it is very hot. It means actually he wants that entry for the killers, जो assassins थे उसके, उनको entry मिल जाए without the Dr. Sadhau's knowledge, बिना Dr. Sadhau के knowledge के. It means the general wanted that he would the Sadhau should not be involved in that. Sadhau उसमें involved नहीं होगा, and he need not to worry about anything. So they will remove everything. And certainly it would be very natural. Sadhau agreed. Sadhau agree हो गया. Okay, it will be very natural, normal होगा. In fact, it is so left open every night, and it is so left open. इसलिए उनको मतलब हमेशा he used to keep the door open always, so that he was expecting any night some sort of sound, something should come and he should get rid of that POW. उस POW से उसको छुटकारा मिल जाए. Good, the general said, yawning. General said, yawning. Yawning means feeling sleepy and all. समाई लेते हुए जैसे बोलते. and they are very capable assassins. They are very skillful killers. बहुत अच्छे assassins हैं, and they make no noise. वो कोई आवाज भी नहीं करते. They know the trick of inward bleeding. और अंदर जो ब्लीडिंग का कारण होता है, they know each and everything. It means they are very skillful. वो बहुत ही skillful है. If you like, अगर आपको पसंद हो, I can even have them remove the body. उसकी बॉडी को भी मैं हटवा दूंगा. मतलब this was assurance given by the general to the Sadao, so that he should remain quiet and without any worry, बिना चिंता के. Sadao considered, Sadao ने सोचा that perhaps would be the best. उसने सोचा ये बहुत अच्छा होगा. Excellency, excellency, this word is used to express honor or respect for the and he agreed, thinking of Hannah. Hannah को सोचते हुए he agreed, वो agree हो गया. He left the general presence and और वो जनरल के पास से चला गया and went home, घर चला गया. Thinking over the plan, और उस प्लान के ऊपर सोचते हुए. In this way the whole thing would be taken out of his hand. और इस तरह से उसके हाथ से सारी चीजें कर दी जाएंगी. It will go out of his hand. उससे हाथ से चली जाएंगी. He would tell Hannah nothing. वो हैना को भी नहीं बताएगा कुछ भी. And since he would be timid at the idea of herself, timid, very coward, fearful. Yes, at the idea of assassins in the house. Assassins, killers. अगर killers, if some killers come in the house, she would be and yet certainly such persons were essential in the absolute state. इस तरह के person, they are very essential in the absolute state, such as Japan. Japan जैसे country में means to control the things and to control everything. This sort of people they are in society. समाज में इस तरह के लोगों की जरूरत होती है. And how else could a ruler deal with those who opposed him? क्योंकि जो रूलर का अपोज करते हैं, जो किंग का अपोज करेंगे, how he can control them? उनको कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकता है? उनको कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकता है? It means now the general is telling these assassins or these killers are also very important part. ये भी काफी important part है. Still 27, yes, and important part of the and how the king he is going to make arrangement for all these things, and especially for those who oppose him, जो उसका oppose करते हैं. He refused to allow anything. उसने अब किसी भी चीज को मतलब anything allow anything, उसने हर चीज को अपने दिमाग से निकाल दिया. But reason to be the atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room. But reason to be the atmosphere of his mind, what it was happening in his mind, जो उसके दिमाग में चल रहा था. He went into the room में गया, where the American was in bed, जो अमेरिकन जहाँ पर सोया हुआ था. Because he did not tell anything there, he did not try to express anything externally, but what it was going in his mind, that's why he went into the room and tried to open. And but preparing to open the door, उसने दरवाजा खोला. To his surprise, he found the young man out of bed. और उसने देखा वो young man बेड से बाहर गया हुआ था. And preparing to go into the garden, वो गार्डन में जाने की सोच रहा था. What is this? He exclaimed. Surprisingly, he told, what is this? कि ये क्या है? And who gave you permission to leave your room? आपको अपने रूम छोड़ने की परमिशन किसने दी? Because first of all, he was under doctor as a patient. As a patient, he wanted that he should not move out of it. And secondly, he was a prisoner of war. If anyone can see him, it means they will be in trouble. Both the things, there are two senses like this. Okay, he wanted to control all these situations like this. I'm not used to waiting for permission, Tom said gaily, very happily. He said, I'm not used to habitual for permission. Permission लेने की हमें आदत नहीं है. Tom said gaily. Thus I feel pretty good again. उसने कहा कि मैं फिर से आपको काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. But will the muscles on this side always feel stiff? बोलता है इस साइड के मसल हमेशा आपके stiff रहेंगे, hard रहेंगे. And is it so? क्या ऐसा है? Sadao inquired. Sadao ने इंक्वायरी की, मतलब उससे पूछा कि इस साइड के मसल आपके जिस साइड में that bullet and it was there, it will be little bit stiff. Is it so? Sadao inquired, surprised. He forgot all else. वो सब कुछ भूल गया था. Now I thought I had provided against that. मैंने सोचा. Now I thought I had provided against that. मैंने उसके विरुद्ध मतलब कुछ आपको काम दिया किया है. He murmured. He lifted the edge of the man's shirt. उसने उसके man's shirt. He lifted the shirt. उसको शर्ट को उठाया. Gazed at the healing scar. और उस घाव पर जो हील अप हो रहा था, इट वाज बिकमिंग ऑल राइट, ही जस्ट गेज एंड मसाज में डू इट, ही सेड, उसने कहा मसाज एंड ऑल समथिंग, इट विल बी बेटर, यू विल बेटर, इफ एक्सक्यूज, ही सेड, एंड इफ एक्सरसाइज डज नॉट, इफ एक्सरसाइज डज नॉट, अगर एक्सरसाइज करोगे तो ये नहीं होगा, ओनली मसाज एंड ऑल लिटिल बिट मूवमेंट, इट विल बी हील्ड अप क्वाइटली, बिल्कुल कंप्लीटली इट विल बी हील्ड अप, it won't bother me much, the young man said, young man ने कहा, I don't care for these small scars and all, छोटे घावों की मुझे चिंता नहीं है, his young face was gaunt under the stubbly blonde beard, उसकी blonde beard, blonde means unkept and all, uncombed, उजे हुए, messed each other, जो beard थी दाढ़ी में थी, and under the stubbly beard, उसकी जो beard थी उसमें उसने उसका चेहरा दिखा, say doctor, I have got something, मतलब I want to say something, मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ, I want to say to you, and if I hadn't meet a Jap like you, Jap means Japanese, Jap means Japanese like you, अगर मुझे आप जैसा कोई जापानी नहीं मिलता, well I would not be alive today, आज मैं शायद जिंदा नहीं होता, आज मैं जिंदा नहीं है, I know that, मैं ये जानता हूँ, सडाव बोल्ड, सडाव ने झुककर उसको कहा, I know that, and he could not speak, लेकिन वो बोला नहीं, he could not speak, वो बोला नहीं, sure I know that, Tom went on warmingly means in excitement, he kept on speaking, वो बोलता गया, his big thin hands, उसके जो big thin hands, बड़े बड़े thin पतले हाथ, gripping a chair, एक चेयर पकड़ते हुए, where the white at the concals, I guess, जहाँ पर वो white at the concals, और जो सफेद रंग का जो वहां पर था, I guess if all the Japs were like you, there would not have been a war, अगर सारे जापानी एक जैसे होते तो शायद यहाँ पर वार नहीं होता, perhaps Sadao said with difficulty, Sadao ने ये बड़ी मुश्किल से कहा, and now I think you had better go back to your bed, उसने कहा it is already enough and you can go back to your bed, आप अपने बेड पर वापस चले जाओ, he helped the boy back into the bed, उसने उसकी हेल्प की, and then bowed, और उसकी तरफ जैसे bowed means giving a respect to the patient, okay good night he said, और उसने कहा गुड नाइट, और उसने उसको गुड नाइट कहा, इट मीन नाउ he had come, actually what was his purpose, his purpose was to just open the door for the killer, so that the general, what general had told him, जो जनरल ने उसको बताया था, that he would send the assassins or killers to his house and they will remove him from there, उसको रिमूव भी कर देंगे, and that's why he wanted to open the door, वो दरवाजा खोलना चाहता था, Sadao now slept badly that night. उस रात वो badly, he was not having a proper sleep, अच्छी नींद नहीं आई थी, time and time again he woke up, बार बार वो उठता, thinking that he heard the rustling of the footsteps, rustling, some sound comes, आवाज आने पाँव की, and the sound of the twig broken, twig branches, कुछ branches की कोई breaking आवाज, he wanted to listen something, so that whenever someone is stepping on the garden and all, under the leaves and all, if leaves are dry, then certainly there will be a sound, अगर सूखे पत्ते उन पे पाँव रखेंगे, there will be a sound, sound of twig broken, stone displacement, कोई stone की इधर उधर आवाज आए, displacement in the garden, a noise such man might make who carried a burden, जो शायद वो जो पर्सन की आवाज, उस व्यक्ति की आवाज कुछ आ जाए, the next morning he made the excuse to go first into the guest room, अगली मॉर्निंग उसने he made the excuse, एक बहाना बनाया to go to the guest room जाने का, if the American were gone, and he could then simply tell Hannah that the general had directed, अगर वो चला जाएगा तो he would tell Hannah को बता देगा कि जनरल ने ऐसा बोला था, but when he opened the door he saw at once there on the pillow was the saggy blonde head, उसका जो blonde head, again saggy बाल उसके, it is not combed properly, and he was lying there on the bed, he could hear the peaceful breathing of the sleep, and he was sleeping at that time, peacefully he was sleeping, and he closed the door again quietly, चुपचाप उसने दरवाजा, actually he was expecting that the room might be empty, आज room शायद उसको खाली मिल जाएगा, but it did not happen, and he 57 35 and room might be empty, as it was as the general has assured that he would send assassin, जो assassin भेजेगा, and then quietly he closed the door, but he found that he was still sleeping and very peacefully he was sleeping there. बहुत ही शांति से वो सो रहा था. And he just sleep सोया हुआ. He told Hannah, उसने हैना को बोला, he's almost well to sleep like that. और वो इस तरह सोने से वो और ज्यादा जल्दी अच्छा हो गया. What shall we do with him? Hannah whispered. And Hannah ने her old refrain, refrain means again repeating the same fear. उसका जो पुराना डर था फिर रिपीट हो रहा था. And he told, what shall we do with him? अब हम उसका क्या करेंगे? Sadao shook his head. Sadao ने अपना सिर हिला. I must decide in a day or two. मैं एक और दिन में डिसाइड करूंगा. He promised. उसने promise किया. Means within 1 or 2 days I'll decide what to do with the man. इस व्यक्ति के साथ क्या करना है. But certainly we have to think something. हमने इसके बारे में सोचना है. He thought the second night must be the night. Now he thought, okay, first night they did not come. Okay, let's hope in the next night. अगली night शायद हो सकती. And there rose a wind that night. उस दिन हवा बहुत तेज चल रही थी. And he listened to the sound of the bending bogs. Bogs again, the branches, small branches of trees bending means shaking in the wind. And the whistling partitions or partitions whistling, जो उसकी आवाज आ रही थी. Partition means from the door when air enters it makes a sound. जब हवा आती है तो उसकी आवाज करती है. Hannah woke too. Hannah भी उठ गई. Ought we not to go and close the sick man's partition? क्या हमने sick man का जो partition है which is opening to the garden, क्या हमें बंद कर देना चाहिए? She asked. उसने कहा no. Sadao ने कहा no. He is able to do it now himself. अब वो अपने आप करने लायक है. And but the next morning the American was still there. Means he was expecting that at least this night he might be killed. अगर हो सकता उसको मार दिया जाएगा. But it did. He was still there. वो उस night भी वहीं पर था. Then the third night, of course, must be the night. और हो सकता now he did okay. He thought that this is the third night and he must be sending these killers tonight. And the wind changed to quiet. उस दिन हवा बिल्कुल वो हो गई थी, रुक गई थी. And rain and the garden was full with the sound of dripping. और बिल्कुल बूंदें गिरने की आवाज से it was full of sound. And the running springs और जो झरने चल रहे थे. And the Sadao slept a little better. उस दिन वो काफी अच्छा सोया. But he woke at the sound of a crash, टूटने की कुछ आवाज. And leaped to his feet. Leap means jump. उसने अपने जंप करके देखा. Jump to his feet. What was that? उसने कहा क्या? Hannah cried. Hannah ने चिल्ला कर कहा क्या था? The baby woke up at her voice. उसके आवाज से बेबी भी उसका जग गया था. And began to wail. Wail means crying. रोना शुरू कर दिया. I must go and see. मैं जाकर उसको देखता हूँ. But he held her. लेकिन उसने उसको पकड़ लिया. Would not let her move. उसको वो जाने नहीं दे रही थी. Sadao, she cried. उसने कहा Sadao, what is the matter with you? मतलब आप क्या कर रहे हो? Mean why you are going? And don't go. मत जाना. He muttered. And don't go. मतलब आप मत जाना because it was drizzling and all sort of. मतलब she was smelling some danger outside. हो सकता उसको कुछ डेंजर लग रहा हो. Let's see the participant 39. Okay, she might be thinking, and that's why she did not allow Sadao to go. And her terror infected her. उसके terror का असर था, उसके डर का असर था. And she stood breathless. वो बिल्कुल सांस रोककर खड़ी रही, waiting. There was only silence. केवल शांति थी. Means she wanted to hear some noise. कोई आवाज सुनना चाहती थी. But there was a complete silence. Together they crept back into the bed. दोबारा फिर वो अपने बेड में खिसक गए. And the baby between them, उनके बीच में बेबी था. Yet when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, अगली मॉर्निंग जब भी उसने गेस्ट रूम खोला, and there was the young man. आज फिर वो व्यक्ति उसको. Means he was continuously for the 3 days. He was waiting that the killer must come and remove him from there. यहाँ से उसको ले जाएं किसी तरह, so that he could lead a very peaceful life because he has done a good deed. But now this deed it is becoming the main cause of problem in the house. घर में उसमें जो अशांति का कारण बन गई. And he was very gay, very happily, and had already washed. उसने अपना face wash कर लिया. Now he was on his feet. अब वो अपने पाँव पर खड़ा हुआ था. He was walking and all. He had asked for a razor yesterday. और उस दिन उसने रेजर के लिए पूछा था, मींस ही वांटेड टू टेक सेव एंड ऑल, एंड ही हैज सेव्ड हिमसेल्फ, उसने अपने आप सेव की। एंड टुडे देयर वाज ए फेंट कलर इन हिज चीक्स, आज थोड़ा सा उसके चीक्स में कलर लग रहा था। अर्लियर बिकॉज ऑफ द ओवर ब्लीडिंग एंड ऑल इज फेस वाज लुकिंग लाइक ए एश, एक राख की तरह कलरलेस फेस वाज देयर। एंड I am well, he said joyously, full of joy. He told, I am well, I am perfectly well, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। Sadao drew his kimono round the weary body, and Sadao ने उसकी मतलब उसको अपने शरीर को किमोनो को कस लिया। किमोनो मीन्स द ड्रेस, उसको बॉडी के तरफ कसा। He could not, और उसने कहा ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। He decided suddenly, उसने डिसाइड किया go through another night, कि भाई हो सकता है नेक्स्ट नाइट विल बी द लास्ट नाइट फॉर हिम, हो सकता नाइट मींस ही वेटेड, एक्सेप्ट दिस ही कुड नॉट डू एनीथिंग, इसके बिना वो कर भी कुछ नहीं सकता। it was not the it was not that he cared for the young man's life, ये नहीं था कि वो केयर में उसकी केयर कर रहा था। and not simply it was not worth the strain, लेकिन whatever strain, whatever the problem they were facing there, जिस तरह की वो प्रॉब्लम उनको लग रही थी, and they were going through a very hardship, like because Hannah was not at all comfortable in the presence of this POW, prisoner of war. She was having all sort of fear, उसको हर तरह का डर था, because of the children, future of the children, and reputation of the doctor, and all everything was in stake, हर चीज उनकी दाव पर लगी हुई थी। Not simply it was not worth the strain, मतलब ये जो स्ट्रेन था, जो उनको तनाव था, ये कोई ठीक नहीं था, because they did not want to keep this one for a long time, काफी समय तक नहीं रखना चाहते, काफी समय तक नहीं रखना चाहते। 14, let me mark the present, 37 to 35, 35. Okay, so he did not want to keep, and what he could do except wait, he could not do anything, वो कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता, because he already told to general, and he cannot disclose more than that, उससे ज्यादा वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता। You are well, Sadao agreed. Sadao ने कहा आप ठीक हो। He lowered his voice, उसने अपनी voice थोड़ी नीचे की। You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight, अगर मैं अपनी boat, now he decided that everything, he was waiting, and nothing happened. Now he himself decide what to do with it. I my boat onto the shore, अगर मैं एक आपको बोट दे दूं यहाँ पर किनारे पर, टू नाइट विद फूड एंड एक्स्ट्रा क्लोथिंग, उसमें फूड हो, खाना हो, एक्स्ट्रा क्लोथिंग, एंड यू माइट बी एबल टू रो टू दैट लिटिल आइलैंड, आप जो थोड़ी सी दूर एक आइलैंड है, यू माइट बी एबल टू रो, वहां पर आप रो करके उसको बोट को चला कर ले जा सकते हो, एंड नॉट फार फ्रॉम द कोस्ट, जो ज्यादा दूर नहीं है, एंड इट इज सो नियर दैट द कोस्ट दैट इट हैज नॉट बीन वर्थ फोर्टिफाइंग, और इतना भी मतलब वो ज्यादा दूर नहीं है आपसे, एंड नोबडी लिव्स एट ओन बिकॉज इन द स्टॉर्म इट इज सबमर्ज्ड, और वहां पर कोई रहता भी नहीं है, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग द स्टॉर्म इट इज सबमर्ज्ड, जो पानी के अंदर आ जाता है, एंड नोबडी लिव्स ऑन बिकॉज द स्टॉर्म, बट दिस इज नॉट द सीजन ऑफ स्टॉर्म, और ये स्टॉर्म का सीजन भी नहीं है, मींस पीसफुली यू कैन स्टे देयर, वहां पर आप स्टे कर सकते हो, एंड you could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by, और आप वहां जब तक रह सकते हो जब तक कोई कोरिया से जो फिशिंग बोट अगर आ ना जाए, मींस यू कैन गो with the help of that boat you can go to your own country, and they pass quite near the island, वो नियर वहीं से नियर से गुजरते हैं, and the water is many fathoms deep there, वहां पर पानी भी कोई ज्यादा गहरा नहीं है, पानी भी उसके पास से ज्यादा मतलब कई कदम पानी कई पैदम गहरा है, ज्यादा वो नहीं है, so you can stay there and you can go. The young man stared at him, वो उसकी तरफ देखने लगा, because up to this time he was thinking that I'm now all right and they are going to hand me over to the police, मुझे पुलिस को हैंड ओवर करने वाले, and slowly comprehending, और धीरे धीरे now he started understanding the real situation. Do I have to, मुझे क्या ऐसा करना पड़ेगा, मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, ही asked, उसने कहा। I think so, उसने कहा। Sadao said gently, उसने कहा you understand, आप समझ रहे हैं तो what I want to tell you, and it is not hidden that you are here, ये चीज अब छुपी नहीं है, मीन्स एवरीवन न्यू दैट यू आर हियर एंड वी कैन बी इन ट्रबल बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी आर हियर। द यंग मैन नोडेड इन परफेक्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, उसको पूरी तरह से समझ कर नोडेड कर yes he agreed. Okay, he said simply, उसने कहा said he said simply, उसने simply कहा सडाव did not see him again until evening, और evening तक सडाव उससे मिला नहीं, evening तक सडाव उससे मिला नहीं। yes students, participant 35. Okay, now he was ready to, now he has decided that he should go into the uh, into that boat. Now he has started, he has already waited for the general to do something, जनरल को करने के लिए उसने कुछ, he has already waited, and they can't live in the same condition, in the strain condition whatever the Hannah was passing through, जो भी Hannah को problem हो रही थी, and he did not want to continue live in the same type of situation, he did not want in the house। घर में इस तरह की सिचुएशन मतलब इट शुड नॉट बी प्रोलॉन्ग, ज्यादा दिन तक नहीं चलनी चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई ही डिसाइडेड नाउ हिमसेल्फ टू डू समथिंग, उसने कहा आज मैं कुछ, एंड देन ही टॉक टू टॉम, टॉम एक्चुअली द नेम ऑफ दैट POW, दैट अमेरिकन सेलर, रादर यू कैन से अमेरिकन सेलर, उसका नाम टॉम है। and he told him that I can give you a boat and with extra food, clothing and all, and he also told him that you can go to the island which is very near, जो यहाँ पर बहुत ही नजदीक एक आइलैंड है, आप वहां पर जा सकते हैं। एंड दे आर द कोरियन बोट, फिशिंग बोट, जो फिश पकड़ने वाली बोट है, दे विल कम नियर टू दैट एंड यू कैन गो, एंड यू कैन गो टू योर ओन कंट्री, आप अपने कंट्री दे पास थ्रू द जापान कोस्ट, जो जापान की कोस्ट से होकर जो किनारे होकर जाती है, यू कैन गो थ्रू। दिस वाज द प्लानिंग डन बाय नाउ सडाओ टू डू दिस, उसके लिए। let's see if we can complete, no it cannot be completed today, it will take one more period, so by Monday we will finish this one, इसको हम मंडे को फिनिश करेंगे। and up to here now, in the starting first what happened when they sir you can stop recording, let the student talk। yes Pramod sir, anyone is there?
जी जी सर।
yes you can stop recording, unmute them, let them talk।